Hey y'all, fall's on its way, and to celebrate, I'm cooking up a cozy fall meal with a little Texas flair. Corn chowder. Southern comfort in every spoonful. So grab your pumpkin spice latte and let's get cooking. First, you're going to start by cutting your fresh corn. I just do it in a bundt pan like this. I learned it from the Pioneer Woman, and you just shave down the sides. You're going to take half of your fresh corn and put it into a blender. Next, you're going to combine your heavy cream and your vegetable stock into a measuring cup. Pour that into your blender with your corn. And then blend her up till she's nice and smooth. Next, we're going to cut up our bacon, dice our onions, mince our garlic, then dice up your red bell pepper and your poblano, and slice up our green onion. I peel my potatoes. I'm sure you can leave the skin on, but I like them peeled, and then I dice them up into bite-sized pieces. Then you're going to cook your bacon until it's nice and crispy. Once it's done, we're going to remove the bacon, but leave the grease to saute the vegetables. We're going to add some salt, and we're not going to want to brown these. We're just going to want to saute them until they're translucent. I'm leaving that in there because I got 5 kids and this is my life. Then you're going to add the rest of your corn that you didn't blend up in the blender and your diced potatoes. And of course, your blended corn mixture. Then I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. And then finally, the bacon with the grease. At this point, if you feel yours is a little too thick, just add a bit more vegetable stock. I'm going to cover it with a lid and simmer for about 30 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and the chowder's nice and thick. This is so good. I love the addition of the poblano peppers. I top it with bacon, cheese, and the green onions. And I do like to put sour cream on here too. We didn't have any. We all love this. It's a very good, cozy meal for these fall days to come. Like and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy this, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.